For today's lesson, we will be working with absolute value, and our standards that we're going to cover are 6NS7C. I can understand the absolute value of a rational number as its distance from 0 on the number line. Interpret absolute value as magnitude for a positive or negative quantity in a real-world situation. And also, standard 6NS7D, I can distinguish comparisons of absolute value from statements about order. So absolute value is a number's distance from 0. So if you were pretending that you were standing on a number line and you were standing at 0 and I asked you to walk to 5, it would take you 5 steps to get there. And if you go back to 0 and I asked you to walk to -5, it would also take you 5 steps to get there. And since distance is always measured positive number as well. And so the absolute value of 5 and the absolute value of -5 are the exact same. And you'll notice that we're looking for absolute value, and you'll have what are known as the absolute value bars. So these right here, around the -5, will be your absolute value bars. And those right there around the 5 are the absolute value bars. Notice they look like straightened parentheses there. And so the absolute value of -5 is 5, and the absolute value of 5 is also 5. Because both of them are 5 units away from 0. So if we're looking for the absolute value of -9, well, that's 9 units away. Absolute value of 7 is 7 units away. Absolute value of -4 is 4 units away. And the absolute value of 2 is 2 units away. Over here, we have a young man saying that, notice that even though -4 is less than 2, the absolute value of -4 is greater than the absolute value of 2. The absolute value of -4 is 4. The absolute value of 2 is 2. And 4 is greater than 2. So we're going to find the absolute value of our numbers here. So we have the absolute value of -10, which is 10. Absolute value of 3 is 3. Absolute value of -8 is 8. Absolute value of 1 is 1. Absolute value of -7 is 7. And the absolute value of 0 is 0. Absolute value of -23 is 23. Absolute value of 41 is 41. Absolute value of -38 is 38. Absolute value of 114 is 114. Absolute value of -132 is 132. And the absolute value of 506 is 506. Distance from 0. Now, in real world situations, we actually use the absolute value of the number more than we would use a positive or negative number. One clear example is in banking. So we'll look at Mr. Carter's bank account statement. The deposit is money going in. So you'll see on June 15th, he deposited $40. So if I asked you to write that as a positive or negative number, you would write positive 40 because that's money going into the account, which is a good thing. But then a withdrawal, you'll notice on June 24th, he had a withdrawal of $490. Well, a withdrawal is money coming out of the account. So if you had to write that as a positive or negative number, you would write that as a negative because it's going out. It's bad that you don't want to lose that money. But since the amount that's taken out is $490, we would write in $490. That's the absolute value of it. And then the balance is how much is in the account. And that's where you do want to use positive or negative numbers to know whether you have a surplus or if you're running at a deficit. And notice that when Mr. Carter took out the $490, his account is overdrawn $170. Excuse me. So in this situation, we have a dog sitting on the foot 3 to 5 feet above sea level. Dolphin is swimming 6 feet below sea level, and an octopus is moving along the seabed 40 feet below sea level. We can use positive and negative numbers to show the elevation of the dogs relative to sea level. So since the dog is above sea level, we would write positive 35. And since the dolphin and the octopus are both below sea level, we would write those as negative numbers. So -6 or -40. But we might just want to know which animal is farthest from sea level. And when we do that, we don't worry about whether they're above or below sea level. So it doesn't matter if their numbers are positive or negative. We're just trying to see which one is farthest away. And since the octopus is 40 feet away, the octopus would be the one farthest from sea level. So Ms. Parker withdrew $20 from her bank account on Monday, and she withdrew $40 on Wednesday, and on Saturday she deposited $150 in the bank account. Ms. Parker wrote -20 to represent the amount she withdrew on Monday. And what number should she use to represent the other amounts given above? Well, another amount given above is 40, and she withdrew $40, which is the same as she did with 20. She withdrew $20, and so she wrote that as -20. So if she withdraws 40, you should write that as -40. The other amount given is $150. Well, she deposited $150. Well, as we've recently established, depositing means the money goes in, withdrawal means the money goes out. So that's an opposite situation. So she wrote 20 as -20. She would write 150 as either 150 or positive 150. Either of those is acceptable. In our second situation here, Mr. Cooper had -$200. Mr. Bress had $180. Ms. Wilson had -$190 in their bank accounts. Who has the most money in the bank account? Well, who is asking for a person? And we're looking for the most money. So that is Mr. Perez, because he is the only one that has a positive amount in his account. And finally, at a parking garage, you can park underground or above ground. The lowest part of the underground parking is 40 feet below ground level. The highest part of the parking garage is 20 feet above ground level. The limousine parking area is 23 feet below ground level. So part A, we want to use positive and negative numbers to represent the locations of the three different parts of the parking garage with respect to ground level. So we have the lowest part. So the lowest part is 40 feet below ground level. So that's going to be -40 below the ground. We go to the highest part. It says that the highest part is 20 feet above ground level. So since it's above, you've got 20, or you could write +20. Either of those is fine. The third location is the limo parking area. It's 23 feet below ground level. Since it's below, I put that in -3. For part B, which part of the parking garage is closest to ground level? So that's where we look at the absolute value of all these. And since the absolute value of 20 is closest to 0, we're going to say that the highest part is closest to ground level. That is all for today's lesson. I hope this helps.